Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload videos from your iPhone straight to Google Drive. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and upload their videos straight to Google Drive without having to download them or send them to your computer. Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys, but let's go ahead and get started. Now first, what you want to do is that you want to make sure that you have the Google Drive app installed. So go ahead and log in. And then next, let's go ahead and access their Google Drive. And then here I am in a folder in which I want to upload iPhone videos to. So what I'll do is I'll click on the plus icon on the bottom right hand side. And then I'll click on upload file. And then I'll click on photos and videos. When you click on photos and videos, you might need to go ahead and give Google Drive permission to access your photos and videos. So I'm just going to go ahead and access some videos. Now here is where you would select the photos or videos which you want to upload to Google Drive. Now keep in mind, the more videos that you upload, the longer it's going to take. So here I'm just selecting different videos to upload to Google Drive, and then I click on upload. So once you do that, you'll see that the uploads are now processing. So right now it's starting with the first video, and then it'll work its way down all the way to the last video. So this is going to take a while, guys, so you can exit out of here. Just make sure that you don't close that tab. But that is essentially how to go ahead and upload a video from your iPhone to Google Drive. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.